In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Grammarly to enhance your writing, specifically focusing on checking for AI-generated content and plagiarism. We'll go through each step to ensure you're leveraging Grammarly's full potential. So let's dive right in and get started on improving your writing. First, head over to the Grammarly website. You can do this by simply typing Grammarly into your preferred search engine and clicking on the official Grammarly link. If you haven't already created an account on Grammarly, you'll need to do so to make full use of its features. Signing up is straightforward and free for basic functionality, although there are premium options available if you're looking for more advanced tools. For today, we'll be focusing on the features available even to those who are just using the free version. Once you're on the Grammarly homepage and logged in, you'll want to open a new document. Think of this as your blank canvas where you can input text that you want Grammarly to analyze. You can do this by clicking on New or Open if you're working with an existing document. This action will take you to a fresh document screen where you're ready to paste or start typing the content you want to check. Now that your document is open in the Grammarly workspace, let's move to the upper right side of your screen. Here, you'll see the option that reads Correct with Assistant. This is where you begin to take advantage of Grammarly's deep insights into your writing. Click on Correct with Assistant, which will activate Grammarly's comprehensive analysis tools. It will present you with suggestions to correct grammar and also enhance the overall readability of your document. After that, keep an eye out for another option titled Check for AI, Text, and Plagiarism. Click this, and Grammarly will run a detailed check to identify if any sections of your text are likely to have been generated by AI. This feature is particularly useful if you're reviewing content that might have been outsourced or if you're integrating text received from contributors. In addition to AI checks, this tool is also designed to scour the internet for plagiarism by comparing your text against a vast database of content to ensure originality. Once you've run these checks, you'll receive feedback and suggested edits directly on your screen. Take your time to go through each suggestion carefully. The idea here is to not only correct mistakes, but to also learn from them so that you can avoid similar issues in the future. And there you have it, you're all set. With these simple steps, you can use Grammarly to ensure your writing is polished, original, and free from AI content that might not reflect your personal style. Thanks for following along, and happy writing.